468 species in genus Draba. The charm of Draba, a world of tiny wonders. As a botanist, I've always been fascinated by the diversity of plant life, from towering redwoods to the smallest wildflowers. Lately, I've found myself drawn to the unassuming charm of the genus Draba, commonly known as whitlow grass. These diminutive plants, often overlooked, possess a subtle beauty and remarkable resilience that truly captivates me. A closer look at Draba. Draba is a large genus belonging to the Brassicaceae family, which also includes familiar plants like mustard and cabbage. What sets Draba apart is its incredible diversity, boasting over 400 species scattered across the globe. They thrive in a variety of habitats, from rocky alpine slopes to Arctic tundra, showcasing their adaptability and hardiness. These plants are typically small, forming rosettes of basal leaves from which delicate flower stalks emerge. The flowers themselves are usually yellow or white, though some species exhibit vibrant purple or pink hues. Their simple, cruciform blossoms, for petals arranged in a cross shape, might seem unremarkable at first glance, but upon closer inspection, they reveal an understated elegance. Why Draba matters. Draba might not be the showiest plant in the garden, but its importance extends beyond aesthetics. These hardy plants play a crucial role in their respective ecosystems, providing sustenance for pollinators and stabilizing fragile soils. Furthermore, Draba species have been used in traditional medicine for their purported healing properties. For me, Draba represents the beauty of understated resilience. These plants thrive in some of the harshest environments on Earth, reminding us that strength can be found even in the smallest of forms. Their ability to adapt and persist serves as an inspiration, a testament to the tenacity of life. Exploring the diversity of Draba. See full list at monsteraholic.com. My journey with Draba. My own fascination with Draba began during a botanical expedition to the Alps. While surrounded by the grandeur of the mountains, my attention was drawn to a tiny patch of Draba isoids clinging to a rocky outcrop. Its vibrant yellow flowers provided a stark contrast to the gray rock, a testament to life's ability to flourish even in the most challenging environments. Since then, I've sought out Draba species wherever my botanical journeys take me. Each encounter reinforces my admiration for these unassuming plants. Their resilience, diversity, and understated beauty continue to inspire me, reminding me that there's always more to discover in the natural world, even in the smallest of forms. I encourage fellow botanists, nature enthusiasts, and anyone with a curious mind to take a closer look at Draba. You might be surprised by the beauty and complexity that these tiny plants hold.